Motorola has officially confirmed the Edge 60 Fusion, kicking off its new flagship lineup with a spring 2025 release. According to the latest announcement, the Edge 60 Fusion will be available from April 2nd, but only in India initially, with no word yet on its global availability. However, what makes this phone stand out is its flagship-level display, powerful hardware, and long-term software support. Motorola has revealed that the Edge 60 Fusion boasts a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 1440p, 1.5K resolution, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and an incredible 4,500 nits peak brightness. However, it's important to note that the full panel brightness maxes out at 1,400 nits, while the peak brightness only applies to small portions of the screen. The Pantone-validated display ensures accurate colors, while Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye provides extra durability, and the IP69 rating makes it highly resistant to dust and water damage. Under the hood, the Edge 60 Fusion is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset, promising powerful performance and efficiency. It also packs a massive 5,500 mAh battery, ensuring all-day battery life, along with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM for smooth multitasking. Photography enthusiasts will love the 50MP primary camera, featuring Sony's LYT-700C sensor with a 1/1.56-inch sensor size, promising detailed and vibrant photos. But that's not all. Motorola is also focusing on long-term software support, offering 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches, meaning the Edge 60 Fusion will stay relevant for years to come. Unlike its predecessor, the Edge 50 Fusion, which launched with Android 14, this new model comes pre-installed with Android 15, giving users the latest features right out of the box. With its stunning display, powerful performance, long battery life, flagship-grade camera, and long-term software updates, the Edge 60 Fusion is shaping up to be a top contender in the premium smartphone market. Will this be your next upgrade? Let us know in the comments. And for all the latest tech updates, leaks, and reviews, make sure to subscribe to TechVerse.